Hold on tight, folks, because what I'm about to show you will absolutely blow your mind. We're diving deep into the all-new 2026 Isuzu MU-X Tour Mate Special Edition. Buckle up, because this is going to be epic. Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a first look at something truly special, the 2026 Isuzu MU-X Tour Mate Special Edition. This isn't just your average SUV. Isuzu has really gone above and beyond with this one. We're talking about a vehicle designed for adventure, comfort, and serious style. First impressions? Absolutely stunning. The exterior design is bolder than ever, with aggressive lines and a rugged stance that screams "take me off-road." But it's not just about looks. The Tour Mate is packed with features that will make your jaw drop. Think enhanced off-road capabilities, a luxurious interior designed for long journeys, and the latest in safety and technology. We'll be exploring all of that in detail in this video. We're going to check out the engine, the interior space, the technology features, and even take it for a little spin to see how it handles. Is it worth the hype? Does it live up to the Isuzu name? We're going to find out together. Get ready to be amazed. Because the 2026 MU-X Tour Mate is about to redefine what you expect from an adventure SUV. I'm personally really excited to showcase this. So let's dive right in and see what this beast has to offer. Prepare yourself to be wowed by the sheer amount of engineering brilliance. Now, let's talk about what really sets the Tour Mate apart from the standard MU-X. It's all about the details. Under the hood, we're looking at a refined version of Isuzu's legendary diesel engine, offering improved fuel efficiency and even more power. That means you can conquer any terrain with confidence, knowing you've got the grunt to get you through. But it's not just about power, it's about control. The Tour Mate features an upgraded four-wheel drive system with enhanced traction management, making it easier than ever to tackle challenging off-road conditions. The interior is where the Tour Mate truly shines. Isuzu has really stepped up their game with premium, its materials, and a thoughtful design that prioritizes comfort and convenience. Imagine sinking into plush leather seats, surrounded by intuitive controls and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. It's the perfect place to be, whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or just running errands around.